In this tutorial, we're going to cover how to use label mode in order to add a label to many instances at once. So the first thing is to select the range of instances that you want to add a label or a few labels to. So for example, let's say I wanted to add a label to everything, and before the 12-minute mark, I could just lasso or click and drag over these instances like that. But more commonly, this feature is used to probably add a label to everything in the instance. So I'm just going to hit Command A on the keyboard. That will select all. And now I'm going to add something from this global labels area. Global labels are just my terminology for these types of things, such as in this case, Elm and Broadway are the two streets of this intersection. Here's the date of this particular movie, and it was in the afternoon. So I want to add these 4 labels to everything in the timeline. So it's probably a good idea in this case not to label until I'm done coding. But once I've selected all the instances, then I can go to label mode on the code window. And now because all these instances are selected, I'm just going to click on each one at a time. And now all of those labels have been added to all the selected instances. I can validate that by going to the matrix and seeing all the counts of each of the instances there. So this is a great easy way to add labels for things like grade levels, teacher names, or this global labels idea to many instances in the timeline with a single click. Similarly, I can use that same feature to remove labels from many instances in the timeline at once. So let me go back to edit mode. I'll come back to the timeline and again choose or select the range of instances that you're interested in removing labels from first. So again, I'll just do Command A to select all. And for sake of example, let's imagine that I want to remove Elm, the Elm label, from all of the instances. I'll go to label mode. Then instead of just single clicking on it, I'll simply hold Shift and Option on the keyboard, then single click, and now the Elm label has been removed from all the instances. Let's open up the matrix and take a look at that. You can see the Elm label has been removed.